Good morning, friends.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. We are enjoying the first form, that is a photograph. And one day before we started this one, and we know about the theme of the poem, that aging process has been described. That is a natural phenomena, and everyone who is born on this earth, he or she has to grow up, and after growing up we have to follow the spirit and the natural phenomena, that aging process from childhood to young one and from young one to old one. बचपन खेल के खोया बुढ़ापा, बचपन खेल के खोया जवानी नींद भर सोया, बुढ़ापा देख के रोया, सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो खुदा के पास जाना है. Means if we are young, we don't think that what action should be done in which way. We believe in playing and merrymaking. enjoy करने में रह जाते हैं बच्चों के साथ, बच्चे बन जाते हैं. जब बड़े होते हैं, आलस्य ही मनुष्यानां शरीरस्थो महान रिपु नास्ति उद्यम समो बंधु कृत्वा यंग नाम सीदति. संस्कृत की बात है ये. आलस्य मनुष्य के शरीर में स्थित सबसे बड़ा शत्रु है. नास्तु उद्यम समोबल, उद्यम और परिश्रम के जैसा कोई दूसरा मित्र नहीं है जिसको करके हमको खुशी मिलती है. और खुशी किससे मिलती है? कर्म करने से मिलती है. कर्म करने से क्या होता है? हमको फल प्राप्ति होती है. अब कर्म अगर सही दिशा में जा रहा है, गुड एक्शन इंटेल अपॉन अस गुड रिजल्ट एंड बैड एक्शन इंटेल अपॉन अस बैड रिजल्ट. बोया पेड़ बबूल का आम कहाँ से है? तो मेन चीज यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है कि हम एजिंग प्रोसेस से गुजर रहे होते हैं, और एजिंग प्रोसेस में कोई बचपना करता है, अगर जवानी में आके तो फिर उसको एक दिन रोना पड़ता है. तो साइड बाय साइड में ये दिखाया गया है कि आदमी को आना है और जाना है, लेकिन इस बीच में बिटवीन डेथ, बर्थ टू डेथ, टॉम टू टॉम, क्रेडल टू ग्रेव, मैन हैज टू discover, man has to cover a long distance in life, that is called zindagi. And in this life we have to emerge like a victorious person. Victorious, विजेता बनना है, होना नहीं है, पाना है. मैंने आपको बुक ग्रुप के बारे में बताया था. ग्रुप एक पोएम है. चैप्टर चैप्टर as I grow to join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. There is comparison of the brook, the natural brook, that is the river, that is the ocean, that is the sea. They are natural phenomena, and it does not appear that they are growing older and oldest, but we become older and oldest, younger and youngest. तो 3 सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में हम जाते हैं. Great, greater and greatest, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. You enjoyed first lesson, portrait of a lady by Lion Swansea. In the very first lesson, he indirectly says that even the beautiful things, beautiful objects, beautiful human beings have to decay. One line that directly sprang up to my mind: all human beings are subject to decay, and when God summons, monarch must obey. बहुत बड़ी बात है ये, बहुत बड़ा लाइन है. All human beings are subject to decay, and when God summons, monarch must obey. All human beings, सारे आदमी को एक दिन जाना है, डिके होना है, माने क्षय होना है. अगर हम आज सुंदर हैं, कल हम बुढ़ापे की ओर जाएंगे तो हमारी सुंदरता जो है समाप्त हो जाएगी. लेकिन हमको इस समय को ऐसे यूज करना है. हाउ कैन वी मेक आवर लाइफ इमोर्टल थ्रू दिस मोर्टल बॉडी? ये मॉर्टल बॉडी एक दिन चला जाएगा, लेकिन ये हमारा कर्म अगर हम अच्छा करेंगे, जब तक हम जीवन में रहेंगे, कर्म अच्छा करेंगे, उस कर्म के बल पर हमारा इतिहास बनेगा, और हम समाज में, अपने देश में हमेशा के लिए लोगों के द्वारा जनरेशन विल नो, generation even to come will know that this type of person, this mega star, this leader, this great pacifist of the world was born in this land. Just we know India is the land of Buddha and Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, Tagore, they are also human beings and they departed, but their name makes them their life immortal, and we know and bow down before the portrait of Gandhi. Clear? So the message has a universal appeal that we all have to decay one day. And to cite this example, the poet has given the picture, that is the pictorial quality. In my previous video, I called three students, you come here, and day before this class, I called, and one was the girl who played the role of a mother, and two small children played the role of the cousins, Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly. You just come here, take the hands, and here you will stand, and one role was played by uncle. You just come here. And I have the camera, but I did not bring it. Now you see one person, mother, the other is, and one person is the uncle. Now three are female, and the one is male person. How many characters are there? Four characters. And who is catching the camera? Camera. Okay. And whose picture is being taken? And where they are standing? They are standing at the sea beach. And one hand is caught by one girl, and the other is caught by other. Means the mother is herself catching, holding the hand. Why? Because in the sea waves, it may happen that the waves come and they may fall down. So the mother is very much curious. But that time, that is not the mother, that is a girl of 12 years or 13 years, or so what is there. 12 years. What is the age of that girl? 12 years. And that is the picture to the birth of Sablet also, the poet. Clear? And two cousins were catching the hand, or the mother was catching the hand, and they were not nicely dressed up. Anybody can laugh by seeing the dressing sense. But that is the picture of childhood. No, teenagers. Teenagers, 13 to 19, but the age is even 12. So that does not matter much. But this time the poet is thinking about the gesture and posture of the mother. Before starting this poem, I would like to request that Neha to read the first stanza.
The cartoon told me how it was when the two cousins went traveling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she the big girl. Some 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, was there, paddling transparent.
The card shows me how it was when the two girls cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and see the big girl. Who is the big girl? The mother of that poem is the big girl. Just the pictorial picture, you see the small girl to Betty and Dolly, and some 12 years or so, all three stood to smile through their hair. I explained it through the hair, okay. And at the uncle with the camera, at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face. Whose face? Sweet face of mother. Now this is the 12 years of age, and that time that face is very attractive. That time you are in between 13 to 19, and that time this is the blast age. That is the most attractive constructive phase, and you are very sweet, you are very beautiful, you are very handsome. No disease is there, you are young one. But when that time passes, you become older, and the wrinkles appear on the face. Just you remember the portrait of a lady. That was before I was born. I here stand for what? For whom? The mother. Okay. I was the mother. No, the writer, the poet. I may make you confused, but you don't confuse. I was born. Who was born? The poet was born. I here stand for the poet Sir Dawson. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, was their terribly transient feat. Means they were standing at the sea beach, and that waves, the water of sea was waving their, washing their feet. That is transient feet. That is not permanent. That may change with the passage of time. Transient, temporary, not permanent. Clear? Now, second stanza goes like this. Some 20, 30 years later. Now you read.
Some 20, 30 years later, she laughed at the snapshot. See, Bunty and Dolly, she did say. And look how they dressed up for the beach, the sea holiday. Was her past, mine is her daughter. Both were with the levered ease of loss.
Now this line is very very marvelous, and in this stanza the poet becomes very serious. Some 20, 30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot, that picture that was taken that time. She would laugh after 20 or 30 years. Means when the poet will grow, that mother will grow older, then he will take the cursory note of that photo of that childhood. That time she will laugh at the sight, at the picture that was not up to the mark. Dressing was not up to the mark. So herself means here, mother will laugh. I come into Hindi, perhaps you are feeling something not clear. अगर 20-30 साल के बाद वही, अभी जो लड़की 12 साल की 20-30 साल के बाद वो माँ बन जाएगी, बड़ी हो जाएगी, उस समय वो खुद अपनी उस ड्रेसिंग सेंस की जो कमी है, फोटो लेते समय हम क्या होते हैं, थोड़ा स्मार्ट बनते हैं, कपड़ा अच्छा पहनते हैं, थोड़ा स्टाइलिश बन के खींचते हैं फोटो, लेकिन उस समय उसको उतना ये नहीं था, बचपन था, तो बचपना में उसने जो फोटो लिया उसको देख के वो खुद हंसते, अरे यार मैंने कैसा फोटो ले लिया था। कौन बोलती ये बात? मम्मी बोलती। कितने साल के बाद? 20 या 30 साल के बाद। यानी 20 अगर होता है तो 12 साल का अभी जोड़ दो तो कितना होता है? 32 साल। और 30 साल की होती है तो 12 साल जोड़ दो कितना होता है? 42 साल। यानी 32 या 42 साल के बाद अगर वो फोटो अभी वाला देखती तो वो हंसती कि मैंने कैसा फोटो खींच लिया था, मुझे कैसा कपड़ा पहनना चाहिए था, किस तरह से पहनना चाहिए था। हाँ, वो अपनी नासमझी पे वो हंसती। एंड डॉली, सी बेटी एंड डॉली, वो कहती देखो देखो बेटी और डॉली, ये किसका स्टेटमेंट है? मदर का। सी बेटी एंड डॉली, सी वुड से वो कहती देखो बेटी और डॉली, एंड लुक हाउ दे ड्रेस्ड अप फॉर द बीच, और कैसे ये भी पहन के आई, कैसे ये भी थोड़ा बहुत कैसे पहन के आई, कैसे पहन के आई। हाँ, कौन बोल रही है? ये पिक्चर में बोल रही है क्या? नहीं, वो जब 20 या 32 या 42 साल की होती तब देखो तो मैं तो जैसा पानी, लेकिन ये और ये दोनों भी कैसे पानी हुई। वो कहती द सी हॉलीडे वाज हर पास्ट। सी हॉलीडे, that picture that was taken during the holiday period, that was gone, that is past. Mine is her laughter, और मुझे तो खुशी होती है। That the poet comes to know that this is the laughter that is markable for the poet. Both rye with levered ease of loss. Both are the loser. Both are the loser with the levered ease or loss. Loss, because when we lost someone, then there is some sadness in our life. That joy turns into sadness. Happiness turns into sorrow. And when the person is separated, then we recall only the sweet memory passed with that person recalls to our mind, and we enjoy, we think over that this was the time, this was the phase, this was the life I used to enjoy with my mother. But the mother passes, the Yamraj comes and takes away each and everyone from this world, and that person becomes separated from us. Not clear? यमराज आते हैं और उसको उठा करके लेके चले जाते हैं। मैंने बोला all human beings are subject to decay. सारे लोग जितने हैं वो एक दिन दुनिया से चले जाएंगे, चाहे मोनार्क ही क्यों न हो, सम्राट ही क्यों न हो, उसको भी यमराज की आज्ञा को पालन करना पड़ता है। तो बच क्या जाता है? ये ह्यूमन लाइफ जब नश्वर है तो इस शरीर के माध्यम से जब तक हम जिंदा हैं कुछ ऐसा काम करें कि ऊपर वाला जब हमको उठा के ले जाए तो उसके पहले हम ऐसा हिस्ट्री बना दे कर्म के बल पर कि आने वाला जमाना हमको याद करेगा। जिसको कहता है कभी दिल का सुना साज तराना ढूंढेगा, मुझको मेरे बाद जमाना ढूंढेगा, मुझको मेरे बाद जमाना ढूंढेगा। मतलब मुझको यहाँ कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग है, अगर हम ऐसा कर्म करके चले तो लोग आज भी मोहम्मद रफ़ी के गाने को सुनना पसंद करता है। हाँ, लता दीदी के गाने को सुन तो अभी भी हमको खुशी होती है, आनंद आता है ना। तो रस बोलता है हमारे कानों को। मेलोडियस सॉन्ग टेक्स अवे द सैडनेस from the camera of our brain, from the chamber of our brain, and we enjoy that song even after passing that singer or the dancer। उसके गाना को सुन करके उसके डांस को देख करके हम थ्रिलिंग करते हैं। माइकल जैक्सन का नाम आपने सुना है? चले गए लेकिन उनका नकल लोग अभी भी करते हैं, नहीं करते हैं। लता दीदी चली गई, मोहम्मद रफ़ी चले गए, लेकिन उसकी आवाज में देखिए गा